Given that f of x is equal to x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x squared, find question A, g of negative 2. Take solution. For A, g of negative 2 is simply equal to, in the function g of x, anywhere we see x, we have to replace x with negative 2. So this will give us x is replaced with negative 2, then we square this. This will simply be the same as negative 2 times negative 2, which is equal to the multiplication of two negative numbers gives us a positive result. 2 times 2 gives us 4. The answer is 4. For B, we have to find f of g of x, the composite of these two functions. This is simply the same as in the function f of x, we have to replace x with g of x. This will simply be equal to replacing x with g of x in the function f of x. We are going to obtain g of x plus 1. This will simply be equal to g of x is equal to x squared. This will give us x squared plus 1. So this is the function f of g of x. We go now to C. For C, we have to find f inverse of x. For us to find f inverse of x, the first thing we are going to start by letting the function f of x to be equal to any unknown which is different from x. We are going to let f of x to be equal to a. That is, x plus 1 is equal to a. And we are going to make x a subject of formula. X will simply be equal to, we are going to transfer 1 to the right hand side to meet a. When it crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative. This will be equal to a minus 1. Now, for us to get the inverse function, we are simply going to replace the unknown a with x, and we replace x with f of x in this equation. So this will give us f inverse of x to be equal to x minus 1. So this is the inverse of the function f of x. We are done with the solutions. If in case you have any worries, feel free to leave your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.